mentia futu. And let me know in you. Rantiani Mabawa Mutie me. I'll come my ass up down. Kama yesa mupen sukuri ma ufodi mikobi na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensu ade oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be de achi ma fonyi na ye jambi ti mamu fama di swen India gro mamu fama di swen India gro
mamu fama di swen India gro me mosomfo Joseph Osafor ana majimedwei we a Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 FM I say Emma Aketiapa Yatnas inam say a bremu nimdie nyansa atenka enhyehyeye yebeboa na nipa anamotio akoyie na abrabo entoape. Every path in life that you are treading has ever been trodden by someone. A lesson from the person can bring you redemption. Akwambia na msubia obi afa sopen obi anante sopen. Obetumi ama onimdie baako na aboa wabrabo. Saturday and a Sompa Rhapsody. Monday bia from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Ejiaja na yade breo. We don't want you to do the same mistakes. If on so ebinmu ye no, you can avoid it. Etiana ye pese aboa on e den na abrabo na what on 9 ACC ye. Just say Proverbs 2 and verse 11. Ajem pabe he so nanti asie abon ba. Obi ayem fon so ba ko mienu miensa ogusu ye onsu anyansa obere mu e. Na tenka asai niera bi awonanim ne kasa onim kasa nti asai ade bi awonanim abufu shiw bi a onni hunyansa nti na brabo esaleji. Obi aware eja dam efrise onim kasa ya pam obi afi adwuma efrise onim kasa obi adwene a on hihye ne yie ntino oni afuro nyina ekontokwa ya na metaka say if you fight everyone will fight you. Ya nesu atrenti ebinum pension abrabo yie osua niema ensisia kwemu niema emfa kwemu obi ka sembi a onsone so obra makache ose yehyehe obra etese dia woto wo na spirit level ka ho trowel eka ho leveler eka ho offer one block now dey so now I try na wo now samabio now me to the next course so one bonus ha obra no ebunesnes unstructured lives are very dangerous lives. They are reckless lives. To brebi action in piano etumi say and etumi kunipa ebetumi bra betumi asema brabo. God will never abandon you and leave you without wisdom and knowledge. As I say, what do we nyansa nimdia to ho? Onyame ema onyansa na ususua de. Enu hubiara anamotio franka hubiano eyenu wi. Na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensu ade oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be de achi ma fonyi na ye jambi ti mamu fama di swen. Last week na me can say this month a purple month enti aji adwa na chese ye ka adwinimu yare adwinimu tell the last week no ye create term you ha ye say mental health according to Sompa Rhapsody, you can say encyclopedia generators no. If I know Argentine cattle. Where we know baby happen here creating Mayre, my number one fan was you live. Mavis Osafor, your birthday is coming. Hi. And no, a man in Ghana, ha, mammy for now, a mammo. Happy Mother's Day. When I'm saying now, me had the number me first I call you so. Now, mamma, man, na, mammy phone, na, Moya Jumade, Menna, Akosia, or Gomo Rebecca, Wakonichi. Very Matthew, me no come up. As a last one of the time, on my dear Nyansa, on my me, o shape matenka, me casa, minimum dear, Matthew. You say, we shall Abraham Kuku, that's what to make. I must say, we shall Abraham to the end as my back. As you are phone now, me chiamo and now pay Mungus in Yadumade, Emwa, or my Ghana, Mofra, and my warrior say, Masore, Mompotem, mothers are special, mothers are divine. And the other see the next many because you are freestyle now, and you comment have once some kakran and then on the safe you say your communities, your families, especially communities and how they affect children and their mental health. It takes a village to raise a child, but the wrong village can also break one. It takes a village to raise a child, but the wrong village can break one. Nembo amajun motel mesivana Argentine cattle. Argentine atenka na makabo. Argentine atenka enetel. Special development, coinage, percentage no aya Sompa Rhapsody o 5 betwato. And the moment Mike Hey Namane Ecosia and Ninkomo Ecosia Nidika Ecosia Memao belated happy Mother's Day. And me ya oti hey
jail Efia
Forson jail and a mom Sompa FM na ne Rhapsody team no yes say agusia e ma enapa awda
that's it
on tafo no by now enra mo enje wo pa
anya sam ketwa
na Mr. Abajin so no ma kwa kura
enra janya sam ketwa me
hey
omusi mama ene ebema enam so obi bia na me pefia benkwan na o no da bi ene se ma obi pizza nam se na ma say de
na pizza ben
kama benkwan ni me nkate nkwan ya ene ebunabuni
onya ebunabuna
ene wura
ne enwa no na dia wo no
anaso otwi nkontomre na enkwan susu atwim na de ko bi ni kofia mi no ya
ko so de o kan so wan ene eden
ai kontomre ene nkwan susu a je ne ka ho meko ka ho ana bia wo de opa bi atwim
opa no de
na afa wo de ko bi no
ni ti no
ni ti no wo de memfantu wo de fato so no na kakraba e afatu nso na enyi nchene no emfrim na afa wo de kosua mienu esiso ha se me yentafo ma menti kosua mienu na obopo na bi
Adi asinche
na bi anabe body ampese bi asonson
hey
eno ana medie ena kwesi adanso de
na ode ngo
kakra ngo no ya mepe kakra light one na me se ade yi ena so kwesi adanso anya bi anka medi fufuo ne nkatenkwa na asa afan Moses say Mother's Day tie mami say we pizza. Pizza say ni mo am say pizza we tie ahode be ne wo.
Ahode be ne wo.
Ba omo for their sake me we ma omo.
But because you as near Bambo France, my young come me for once.
Okay.
Because you have mothers. At the end, mothers are so special. Edu Mother's Day, who say, Atiatisi.
I know correct.
Obika, say your mamma, say your mamma, say your mamma, mammy from my president. If you be a Osafor, if you be lecturers, if you be medical doctors, say, come and tuma back.
Oh, yes.
Obeton.
I know correct.
I was your church, mothers. Because I want them friend I call the mothers. Tell us about mothers and children.
Papa, Sawusha. Bemano Eddie and Kwamwana Obanoa. Obande Carini for 9 months.
Right.
Onunkwani Aquadano.
Right.
Or Carino for 9 months.
9 solid
months. Onunkwani Aquadano.
Mama doesn't say, I see him.
I will yen so sound. What do you say? Papa, me quite you, Mamma Aquadan and Echo.
Okay.
Me Jarry, I'm in the Jarry. Me the dear Median business and feeding.
Hey, okay.
I am into my career Aquadan 9 months. Will me move.
As I cry about now, that was
so. I'm finding my no. Me not bonded on every side.
Hey.
Oh, and me not bonded on every side.
Hey.
I was semi moon me the dear. No, a dippy. Oh, Berman said, would dear, we are no Koja or Nanako.
No,
excess now.
I don't know how you know.
But me, a Conan would do me move.
Okay.
Now, Musu, she should much as a Jan and Nansu me yam.
We're Jenny.
Ah, yeah, with Jan and Nansu me yam. It's Median and Ibino Woody. And now, Obansu was serious. Aye, Papa, Obansu was Sammy Bibia. Menum and Yamede. Na me fefe. Na me baby, I mean,
just a over to crack.
Over to a crown of betting me. It was Semimu, or depended on me to survive. Or depended on me to survive. Me did the year, me buano would need him. It's minna, me umbilical cord and then the corner. It's your bomb, it's your bomb 9 months. I won't put this a doctor for chat. Yes, I, Papa, ya bomb mama, umbilical cord.
But just a mucha, just a
champa,
and some of me.
I so I had another to me to say. You had not to be sure. Adriana o hia best of me no fu mu na
emra me free back
na me feeding na exclusively for 6 months breastfeeding it will otare me bo anadwe me fa no anopa enumre awia otare me so say ya wo je ne cry come de na je no na oba ne se come de
be ma no
oba ne se come e come
akora
ni su mu de wa da kora ne nya no osu
beji wa
de enti eye from the beginning. Special Bema, who yet don't even have this experience.
Okay.
What you would tie in a better?
I know, dear.
What you mean, yum? What you would tie? Some experience, exclusive.
I was a man to be sound by someone yum.
Woman to me. Yammy and farm, Mamma. Mopa winning a man coco. Mopa winning a man. I, Yammy and farm, Mamma. A yay exclusively. It was a papa yay special. Yet, them am I ordinary, papa. Say, women, we are not ordinary. Because me share Genesis Prana. Berman and Kwawa Garden, one of Bonsama Mesrano.
Oh, Abanaba Hope.
Who you say, what is this?
No one about it.
Wait, dear.
Way different.
Because we cry Yame the multiplication. Berman, one unqua multiplication. On Unqua Begina was a new Unasa, Adam. But Yame Penny Sassuo, okay, when himself or Barney. Okay. Who be the enemy source and ma ye damuson kokra. Enti unse papa was it male and female he created them. But me didn't say female no. You do right when you be in mema dear.
A different. And teachers are say bonding no.
Bonding no.
So unique.
For 9 months, papa. Many are in a die. Me did my money or depending on me. Enti wo de ayine maame no sperm no ayine maame no
oni bebia no na edan de na no
be dan na be ma ne skin abema ne bibia obema ne bibia wo ni mu na no be develop ne eye obe develop ne nose obe develop ne bibia nto me bibia was developed inside of me.
The woman is as or a mechanism here
sir
when the baby e manual
yeah
wo to me dane ade no
It would the ketu be na man, but at the end of the day, her baby be or the number.
No, on them to boom.
Boom. Ain't ya bondo from the beginning? 9 months no answer or banswa. Masabe exclusive breast. It says
and your man bio.
Masade be no fusu na mantim. Papa me de man kwa me hwe na nim no. Se papa ye de man na.
I just am born in the psychology.
Me ba na otoso me ensa no. Onum no for na no otiti tirim.
That any day.
Oh, who do say? Any day is akwa we there. Oh my no for na what did the start to say?
Or I also be a man will be a mouth.
Say na o me on
Anna or massage na eba mo.
Massage the ball. Oh we are no aside den sa. Oh yeah.
Just you we are.
On say who na na tintik na me no I was. Enti papa say mema na ti ase say omo ne yenye pe. Omo ne yenye pe. Omo wo omo de omo sonko. But when it comes to motherhood, it's so distinct, it's so unique.
Not just because you have the way I was here, not just say, oh, say, I think so. Say, so about time, bit me a friend.
Yeah, it's strange.
Also, I'm found to be my
yeah,
I'm found to be my
Debbie
or it to a bar.
Yeah,
so bar, yeah, bit me a friend. Not just a bond to be
born to be a
because I a man be a sabi omoye reckless no omoye mbabasabasa
yeah
not just say wo hwa den na atochima
papa enna da bia wo kana ya adwene no adwene na nye adwene na say adwene na say mpo a etimi affect ade mpo a ye so valuable tell papa da bia adwene na say a ko adwene say ye den na wakota mo ba dia koto bola akora wa carry no for 9 months
o just a politic bag
no ho kire enti na papa Moses ne maame hu no hu sa kwada na ye kama no hwekwan wo fa
osie no
o se wodi ne sie for 3 months.
Can you imagine
wodi ne sie tie duru akire no o koteteye me de ne fa ha Pharaoh ba ne be hu no
plan bibia
enti wodi ne to mu so papa na otete ho otete enti o hu se ayi Pharaoh ba na fa no a na o sa call ye se o pa adwuma ene sa de akwada na ma no so o mfidi no Santi akwada na man so no na man
adwempanu woni
etiba adwene ne ye but sa adwene ne nya wo wo how na wakoto mu no
right
wa ho kire no fa ba bia
right
eti what be you so selfish say akwala ne life ne matter bi because abre no na be ma na anyi awo no e na me ho kire me e na ho na be boa me eti no say the papa da bia ya wo ka suicide one some who dey say throwing the child away no a much better than so best adwene nye eti ebeye denti na nyame ka say so bad time po because nyame mpo nwa so bad time po because when say impossible but possibility be sample ba possibility be sample ba me urade die because ebeye nwa so bad time
obeja ne ba
sa obeja ne ba ho ana papa sa wo kai a Israel for ne eyi ni amaye che omo ho hia ntokwa yi emire bi omo ak ne kodi one of the na no omo pese omo test
they go
yeah omo pese omo test said no mo hu die ntia enye ma bisi no omo de aboa ene ne ba
carry
yeah because they know say ontimi nya ne ba ho enti for say covenant no aka no obedi akire no na che so no there is something because they know say the only way is aboa na ne ba no onya ne hoda what is it about this covenant to say ne ba na isu no when they realize no then the covenant because they use oba time ne ba because woman is oba time ne ba here oh ne ba na isu obekọ ho etidi ne be ma obetimi agya ne ba no ho when the child is crying or pregnant na because the power in the covenant no anodi
and because again biona within a certain obehia ma maybe no say ya na nkofo ese ma anya de na so mi ma bi na me fam na me nkwa na aka de medical me ni bi me hwe akra no na me ra ho say obewu atumi saso dia and they make a and no systems no how are the systems working against some women
who say papa or baby or how or talk or how more onim dia wonye
okay
you need help on
you need safety net
say dia ko to me ni me ho kire me be ma na anye e bia he fa na me kwa o be chem so there be any alternative ni eti at that time no adwene be si ni tim say ye no na wa fa no banka ye wo system bi e wo ho in place a onim se mo ayde but me call me oh ene maame wo betimi kra do ba no kwa ma social welfare for
na wa tra ha
na wa ye adwuma kakra na bia wa ba beje no eti that time no who say the information or what at that particular time no the best option and it's over to akwada natural the best option they say what the akwada no be kwakom obi ni wadwane the best option and no next na nya sa na eso unti wo akire kra na o ti say me baby wo baby but at that time no who say and no need that the
because we about that because our money
omo ye nu
because you have 5 children
yes
and they was and because you are a mother of 5 and because you are as a mother what are the struggles of motherhood so we and now also me last one we just now then who say and then mommy also who say relax because sorry no wa him na dware no akokotro na ko school ko sinu aba say we atro Jesus na wi
okay
and no one wi me who say na no say na na ke na wi me be that do me ho and na me who say also no na what am say and I say na are you okay I say na sama me say as wa ho me pa ho me as a mother me be say o gina mama for name tell us mema na ya na ye yeah say normal what are the unique stresses of motherhood
papa sa emotional connection na wo ma akwada ntino ade bia wo feeling and tempt
I am she be all the time
be wo esin akwada no te de be ma na so obi o wa akire wo didi ana e wo jana nan na akoda no woni na woni akoda na tena won to mu se de ositi eti ye wo sa won ko na betimi ahwe ne saa obi ene wo the capacity so oba sha oba na sa because wo oba na de wo tie ase wonim se osu a na we na ne ku wonim se osu we a na ekom de no eti papa ema emotional burden
ebe
toso eti bon so obi wa wo bosome miensa ese so okoye adwuma wo officer na adwene nyina sometimes yeah stress officers they have to do something because at the end of the day no on sound mind
you
and find your accounting and answer presenting and answer bb wo bro nim say the base and sometimes so wo for now wo ba na isu a wo tin wo no fom
yes I'm okay
it was wo adwuma mu a wo say wo tim say wo no for na sa say me ba isu that connection yeah
wow
obo so no fu no ti wo adwuma ma bo se no fu na start e hye pa na se oba na isu come dem anti ada no fu no ne connection no nti aba news ampa wo be friend na akoda na isu
wow
na chance say sa insuo eba bebre na fe wo nti na ya na abo breast because one shall win na be say
na say
nti obo say papa sa emotional burden na da wo so no the care akwara na di wo na wo hwa no wo na ogya ne nan a wo siesie no wo se de wo a wo pe ne water bottle so obi sia wo hurum that burden alone no e chese enya nsem kito pesa akwara na ye neat wo be se wo siesie no wo pesa na ho ye fe ne ne masie papa me wo twins no menya postpartum
hona nkan ba no onim se
menya bi
ya wo
yeah me te wona mesu
ya akosa ya wo ye third born no
yeah
na ne yo no way na yo no 24th December.
Wow.
And if I Rebecca say ono ocho SSC. And me ko fa mama me on buy. Your money 4. On let us 3. There are 2 boys and 2 girls. Na edu fie no. Me hwa me area. Me hu say wa bre.
Papa.
And because I work in that area.
Yeah.
I could see signs. And begin to wo so. Bakidi ya me sani so no me dey. What is that doma machine? Wo suma what is
last born na susa. 7 years across sunu kakra wo.
Wo suma what is ebu
wasu ya.
Enti na makofa no. na me na bo me ha na me nti Becky is bonded to me pa
yeah
me na ho sa na mama kwan no wada that period me hu say me ni wa
anka papa nkebe papa is true
nti ka ho
papa me postpartum depression no who said na eye twins me hu da
right omo na ya first
yes omo na ya first obi a me hu da na makwa ntafo fa we ya
na we
did we ya na we so sumo na my husband was very helpful but enam say na ye tunti no na me mo na kura me hu so
Osafor, mental health near Kano.
Papa on himself for 6 months. Na me na 3 hours that.
Jesus.
For 6 months, not a day in soon. Ya mother 3 hours that.
Oh, this is too much.
Because breastfeeding where we ye no. No must be fawi. No must breastfeeding. Where ye jana nine? What's the son of diapers we ya no about the son? Express breast milk no. Medema where we ye no must be the way in so asama. Baby, I double.
Wow.
Go way na wo hi obi no aso mu.
No so ba kunwa ma.
Enti papa, me say afeda komete won me tiesu.
Oh, this is too much.
So even though my husband was very helpful, now oboa me was so me mu. But na nkoda no esusa nketwa. Enti papa, it was a tough anti me can say me ngu biem.
Wow.
Because me nya the depression postpartum depression
papa.
Echechire me ama. Me te ho sa na me tiesu.
Because I'm
tired. Na papa it's like my breath. I'm tired. But I don't know what to do. And fortunately, my former employer, Dr. Sekwame Desmond, baby obi amechia na nyame nhra ne pi.
Wow.
It will ba me fie no wo hye de me siti ho no. Na o hye se de because now it's almost 3 months I say me start adwuma. O hye me se de me so asi ate. Afi wo he me say say beka news nko awu yakofi.
Wow.
Menya adwuma for anopa no wo beka news wi a go home.
Wow.
And no master order. Until me beka 6 a.m. news.
No.
For almost a year. For me to take care of Aqualano. Papa nka 3 months ya kasa me come back to work and ka bibi be yemi. Me to postpartum depression mu ankasa because me ngo dad. And papa wonim me wo henasa me wo 3 ebom and I lost 1.
Oh.
Na 2 girls 1 boy. Eti me wo triplet. And I lost 1. Eti debi am say whether fortunately or unfortunately because 2 no
me anu kura mpo na me asane
2 na me say Nyankopon no away
no he no hu sa bi
no he for akoya am say nyame no o ho akoya me de me ensa money one sha wo be
one here be boy ha
because 2 no kura na papa
de na ye no
me bre ya nkasa
Jesus
me bre ya ma fe de me amitimu say ye I ne papa mu university.
Wow.
Bako you mat na bako Legon.
Wow.
Enti but papa the battle no was so
omo ye na
oba bako be ma ba.
Wow.
Eti oba no Legon na be ma no you mat ye robotics engineer.
Wow.
Enti papa at that time no help be na wo ho. Why na wo consult no? Wo kan cho kan wo ho.
Yenim se be communicate na fa.
Yenim se be communicate with pain no. Eti ai na de nkwa no awo ntafo.
And I was always against I say I'm on say. My sister went off.
Okay.
Now my 11 years.
Wow.
Many last born. And they would jam me. Ma medium one girl. And then back so for back also all US or
wow.
I remember me. And many baby I go say na me to mama no. Na my sister F di back.
Okay.
And you obey you know. Na maji back on so.
Yes.
Na also many dia no ada. No fidi back on. And in my presence there, a boy, my mother was there, my dad was there, I was there, and you know, and you know when you help Papa, and no cramp on and yes,
Papa, and my husband was very helpful. I can't remember so one night been grand so no more net day on Corana. If I do a mom penano, almost up now. I understand. Fabako, Miss Mafabako, and Papa, we ain't yes, so better.
Motor Alaba, almost. I didn't see an abaco or Henry. I saw that. Oh, that's how was it.
I heard that the enemy.
I didn't know.
What's his sleep? I heard you say, Okuta na okasa onu kura wada. Oh, Bano Papa na na bomb, Missy. What are you doing? Bomb.
Oh, rather.
That time I'm saying about that's why. Me bono.
Jesus.
Me don't know for said no said be ya no beda. Eti na be na mo beda. Ade chin so esese be ma wo kwa adwuma. Eti oba na bed ni bi. Baba be carry bed ni bi waso we mu. Na me so ma so we mu. Eti papa, it wasn't easy. These are the struggles, the battles.
Itemized for us. Ebi an mama bi etie yen. Obi on tansan, obi na me remember baako. I want so say what e bia onyame nsa baako. Efri asa na owo.
Okay.
But me ko he no, many person na ko he no. Un say onyamboa. Ni kunu ho.
Yes.
Ne mama ho, ne papa ho. Enti no crampo no.
Yeah.
Osi enyi easy.
Enyi easy. Yes, enyi easy.
Enti mi koso baako mu na obes baako. Na baako na Ose na sa no mayam yo. Misi ye enti dem mo na me kaita mana me kura. No fast contact.
Yes.
But me call rounds na o feed we na me dem ma. Because my principles be yanga ye twa mamefo a wo multiple beds and now be bi hokura obi ni nyinsem ni kunu enka na no kwa na wo ye jaton so nyame ba nyame na nyam na oba no kwa bebre wonsa. What should we do na aboa because akra no de onya
the people are innocent
and the support systems bang and I say the mama this
papa ebusuan na mmoa.
Okay.
The extended family system who say would say wouldn't be I want tafo na who available time ya wo de wo kwa say na niema bia na wakosia man.
Okay.
Na ate burden so.
Okosi niema man.
Okosi niema man. Ana oba na obaji akoda na kakra be 2 hours. Na otimi akoda.
Because e bia mo change omo santi. Oja no na ojo so.
Eti bia wo so ni mu so me mfa na be 3 hours. Nti wo koda. Koda na me hwe wo mu. Na ebia obetimi express mo kana kakra wo ho anasa formula bi ka ho awode ma na because they are not twins no normally be one tafo no ana triplet ya na no fuso no
and so
this is what the formula nti bia mama na wo so wo ye husband na feel your ban pain feeling the pain men meye na be ma de wonye we be ma de
okay
no imposa ya ba kumpo a wo fra adwuma ba mnim se wo kwa adwuma wa bre but to ba wo so okay ene busa ne day ne net say obe catch ne we ana we feel we ye say we ejane nan bebre we na me say ne yefunu ye ne ya we say na me de ko hospital say ni say o se fanama me ne koda e bia from enumre ne 7 no to maybe 10 koda e bia 7 to 10 or 11 we na me de na ma na me so makoda
right
na ese mo dane mo ho awon mo boaboa mo ho e na won so ni mo be ye bibi wo be wo nkukuom
ye bi
anasa wo de kodi dwabre papa and I will bounce to any median and quine and why yes, those little have papa are taking your burden away.
Maybe you have because you're John. Yes. Now, you think that's it. Yahoo.
I won't have
no more.
Yeah, but what
where dear, would you capa?
Micromission say, would you capa?
Would you capa? Eradiado. Yeah, yeah, possible. Nitimo day,
one more. What the gym ran. At that time, no, and now Obana so papa was so done. And love is action oriented.
Okay.
And the baby demanding who's a woodon. And yes, also sacrifice be. And I'm
sacrifice something.
Sacrifice be. So the mo emna papa, yes, I say a tears and say a season.
All right. All right. All right.
I am a man be home so for show home cry. Obano and Yaket. And I'm saying, I'm a man, I'm a brother, and no more invest.
Say, oh,
Cecia, Namson says, woman. And the way make bed, and then me double help. Papa,
that's the point.
The benefit.
One but yes, just say, when I was here, I
double help, even though it was a double burden.
I love that because I love that one. It used to be a double burden, but now
it's a double blessing.
Wow.
Way, but Ben may say, oh, or cast or paper or how am I?
Why you love it?
Bedroom was yes, but you wouldn't need. antiseptic aye ho kama
no anyame
meat
meat
so ka se wonye wo ba fie onye aduane ma won ko no aye aduane kama mami
wow.
no me da ho so blend orange ne banana
oh man mixtures
I want this you we dey be fruit smoothie it's come na me be da kora na me say I would abre me dey na ma kai say wo bra wo ma me bre udidi anu afe
mama nyo so faso kakra wa
odidi eti papa omo wo ho no and na so allow help so ma ho kwame em wo
okay
because obi nso wo ho a fie woni mu
o so bi asem de jare mama
ebi na mama ebi mu so fie ebi dey spiritual
okay
o so say you obi na koma no sunsun body bi auntie and also so is something we have to deal with because obi wa de ntia wa ma ebi ani nuanom any other people mu no that spiritual in the fie
okay
o so say ebi na woni honhom papa
no di asram e be ye no
another ma oba ne yare any atinti any ono but now tim say wo bre now bre trust God, say God will take care of you and take care of the children. It is a nipa no kra no. I'm not saying that we shouldn't put in place precautionary measures but at the same time you can get some help be and papa the body of Christ can also the body of church
the church
because you see the family of God.
Okay.
And he said, "Obi kobedi ma ye mo no nko ankari."
Right.
The church, you women's group, you men's group. What can we also do? Yate say, eyi awo miensa, akosu awo miensa bo. Enti die na ebetimi aye dia bo nya ne ma na mo de beba be che no nko a because minim se mo de mo ye masa for me at least me wo security when it comes to spirituality a little secure enti ya te ya kono wa no pa na ebi amonko prapra won so tambe na abenya ho awia ene mo mfa ho na ko hu no kuko ma no na afa won the body na but unya have no so ya ba sorry for ba besra na ya bro washing powder any diapers any ye ba ni abeta ye my bura
I want to be as I was na so go
ade wo sie me odo fa na dia ososoro hene ye ja akosia na yere
o ma ya
ne ma ni na sha wonsa rade shira mo ma me ene ye be se pa ya ko wo ti wo mun ka bi ko fam so ba ba so your body. The body. We are now. You belong to a new family. It imposes a extended family system. Nimpo na minya mwa.
As I say,
me busuan fufro no me spiritual family no. Omuso at least. E me ko na me dom no. Omuso timi ye bibi de boa me for mate se ma wo. Miensa. Omate se bi kura nipa we ni kuna firi. Omate se bi kura oba no kwa wo so no wa ama. Nti se akwada na ka be ma no nko a. E de na ye as a body. Ye de afa ho. Papa, I like him. Maybe example be and say, "Mammy be ni kunu free mu." Oh, almost we ba ho pa.
Right.
San and chain. We ba ho ewia. No better than chain.
Right.
E bi so be dan ho anajo. Almost schedule time. We be ba mo cash. They just sit there. They just sit there. But say the power no ho keke no. E ma na recheche because ni kunu ko. But one time visit. Ni abani abato Pentecost nyom Baptist nyom. And I'll see the name of Jesus sound in a believer's ears. It's so it's one and drive away. Near my washing powder, near my diapers. As a funny and near showing crying. It's a man count near court. Who won't be in copies of a bass? It's papa a ba a woman how they do a crowd. We are ignorant. Only my woman she. Because papa, what was you said there and this will be your experience. So what's your award because me nyem kwada me read the books but papa enter experience
because I want to say na me protege bi yeah person you put together a certain hub
okay
you ready you be share omo a omo nyem ana o look for yourself be free
okay
one of my PhD students the thesis was on pregnancy experiences.
Okay.
And it was one of the finest researcher read on pregnancy.
Insane.
I'm telling you. Like I took my time to read the findings. the study was such impressive. You know, or your book about it. Now, near per se, you create a platform.
Okay.
Ama a ma, be a opposite one. What you should know.
Okay.
How you should prepare.
Okay.
Exactly. Mental health. A woman. When you know you have complications.
Yes.
Send you see your offer. How you must adjust your psychology.
Yes.
Nafe we no over another burden.
And yeah, no so.
Send you obesi as you show.
Obi a first na metimi da time me pen am sorry.
Afedia.
E wo so do obi aba wiase.
Na because I want to say no. The second study my master study me say I don't know first time fathers.
Okay.
Experience of childbirth.
Wow.
Another fine study.
Yeah.
We are just about publishing it. Now, men are shocked. Say, hey, because Obi destabilizing Linda.
Yampa.
What the house no what I can't shoot. No, it's pino. And some of the men are unable to adjust.
Yeah, papa.
And also first time fathers.
Yes.
You be who train.
Yes, papa mo ye.
Mani na eko wi na you say exercise. We think that as I see train nannies. They will take their credentials from maybe a Ghana Psychology Council.
Okay.
And as be a Ghana Medical Council. Now, no woman a license as a nanny.
Yeah.
Who now penny services Obeba the next 3 months.
Yeah.
One thing. Ya channel. They bet me iron. They bet me break you down. They are one who challenges near dinner. They are like caregivers. Now I blow as so more.
Yes.
For that period.
Papa when him say me wo twin na me nim say akwada didi wi na ma na nufu so a
ese wo bonachi
e ma ne belgi
yes
me nim we ya na de akwara nto won ansa ne nam ne
na nam him oh ye da na yem bai
edi na yem bai e ma mre bi kwa me rush de kokonfa no che tese me bi ho cause akwara ne say free ne huni mu ba na ne ho mete
o to ne ho me
bia wo
ha
na me dimrika Baby straight to confirm me through doctor na bobo na chika crash e also tamo de ko onye but minim I was ignorant na minim say me fa no a but enam say na nia ha say misu minim say say kosh e say o mane beje ansa na wo dia koda na so papa sa nim die no first time mothers bebre na ye nim enti na ye ni wa ma ho na e kirewo e bi ko bi okra na ne maami ni ho anasa ne maami kra ye distant anasa bibi because papa ebu okra na ne maami wo na maami ni ye teenager ono kwan shada ni experience bia so bia mane ba because na ye wo nkwa omo manyi na omo maami num na teenage omo 14 years 30 years and omo wo and oja na ma ne na ma eti maami na amu akra won shada ni oni me maami ni eti me maami betimi ahwe me dabi eti papa we need that resource e betimi di aboa ama na awrewodi bi to so first me unyem first me ametimi di aduana mepe afa me ntimi ni aduana mepe o sha na ko do aduane basabasa bi aduane so di na wafe ato agu on sa na wo vomit na wa yare morning sickness how do you accommodate this thing? Because me okay young girl me see so me bomb me life
I feel dey record man na
I feel dey me hunu nyina ye perform no ye kakra
and the way it will change you. Pregnancy will change you.
Any ade first we will be a what me you are not room. 8 me you puberty part. It be 8 months. The puberty part in Kwa.
Because we drink koto.
What you mean koto? But to hospital so no man catch say we. 81 ebe yama. Say who kunu ni wa won tire be kire won papa.
It's one more mundi kunu no.
One ebe yama nti. Say who man nurse bi eyi ma. And so obi o ha no the mirror out from. Okay. Very risky. Or the mirror out from na ebi a wagina so. Na ohye.
Na oyi.
But at that time who kunu wo ho a on the be so
on the be yama.
Because I be 7 months kura unhunu ama de na fu be 7 months. Ono so onfa wo sa wonyam onfa wo no say nwinifo an wo
aye ntuna
enti papa these are the struggles and these are the odi na pesa wodi wuntimi ni watade ya pesa wo hye wuntimi nhye what's the subtotal
wonansi atata otu na ba ko pregnancy is something
yes enti say wanya ayi edi a etana bi kra papa de ehine wo mo a omunyem omun feel she nkohia wo ma sorry bo say emi de menyima me feel she kuma no tum
wa eyo shira kan no tum
wo de wo nyem a
ya me shawte he
wo mfe me de menyem a me mfe she me nsesa mitimi kwa adwuma 9 months etere
ka
de atuobi kuma no tum kwa no tum na nye obi an nyem wo ye ne saa obu a 3 months de agine to hospital enti ya na mo amode no na ye nyem a ye nte hwe ne ya mo nkama no ntum
na ya mo so kasa nkofari
dodo asa wo bre na asa ye wo fault papa na ye wo fault say wo de wo nyem ye na ye friend say wo fifie but ya koda no wo bedu okra first born one fifi second born na be fifi
okay
yes
first one no was okay
yeah was okay but the second one no who wan say wo fifi enti munso aya na mo de ye smooth no eya mo nkama no ntum na ye go through battles you go through a battle papa me
Osafor ekosi ago abaje e na wote no nka no me say sa free time in there ohun ni e ma yesua Mother's Day we especially packaged for you mama fona ocha e be say to aso because postpartum depression o kind no be say ocha ye bible mu na emanu a monyem na sometimes wonyem no I depressed yeah was I depressed obia help area mu kra kire say mo fami bia afafro no a omo agya no mo abufu ye ebia no ye adolescent onyini ye ana obi ama ne na akoda na onyem na maame ne abuafu agya no abuafu na waka kira kwa ne se wo memo abrabo memo abre mesro awo nankasa nyinsa nankasa on the problems na akrana owo oba ne yem no wonye bone bia eti yere nkran be fa ya kayakadim ama ebinimo agye mo nkwa afiri nsam abusiafo you must always not forget say enkwa a mysterious thing enkwa life is mysterious if say wonim babia akrana ohye oba no onyem no yem babia woko eti ya no are careful give the child the benefit of the doubt say the autonomy it could be accidental it be obi raping and when hunu ahunya santu wana montem and nyisa na enyaba nyabotre mpanyin se onyabotra obetumi aduatatia ehuna koma mehwa me ho tiawa meba ye betoaso
Glory. Hallelujah. Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow. Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Yes, can you hope you move? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na wo bekojo. Akoto to ebro. Abetwa ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwakoton. Wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Wo betu na wo kwa na wakwakoton. Eno anu se wonya woniema na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Jones Bakery, Domi, your commercial bank at Chihuahua, the open door to now a friend 025-60-688-32. And this is dear Jones Hot King Benti, and one is a Uber 2 ya. Now would your quack see what corner hot now Jones Hot Kinky, Hot Kinky, yet dear Bow Punano, way a year house.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, I was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midi Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onya, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashale say, Abna Ruthie, I was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the moment, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di for wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankopon reyahon wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some Sompa Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass Sompa Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yagrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawudani na Sheradens na Erade Beye.
Nano nyame bo me ampa na me kan se adwuma yi ayedi e won a esoyimu a woboa na we sponsors me can just bread and pastries or say open dokunu king kong ya ni yie na anuncio ye de na ye fitting yi a o say bomode ya na bra sa just kinky for nche o say just hot kinky we deliver a tasty and smooth kinky. Now, second day, and oknua ye no under hygienic preparation. Bob back on your 3 cities and a wholesale price. I think so a more convenient storage and delivery. That should be a market producer. Me o ha no akoto bi abreme me I just me ba. Won koto Johnson breme. Was this episode on the funeral? What they call event, what they call kenke party, which is a party who do any event beyond, you can get bulk purchase. Nabra Monche. What's the opposite on your Mokasa? 0256068832. 0256068832. Just hot kinky. I want just bakery. I Our domain. Now, I was behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. As it make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky.
My phone, you know, jumping. Timamu for money, swing, young grow. Mamu for money, swing, young grow.
So I was saying, says when I'm a cancer, you number 4 at the Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste, and the back was say, and no, and I bought a simple buying. It's like an iron clad, they shall say, and it's all saying, or shed that bitch. It is 45 with pro fluoride and micro calcium ingredients, sealing tiny and invisible holes in your teeth. A symbiote to ni rainbow color sabamunano. Sa Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste, ye baby na at your frigo, or say eba in various forms. Yawa Abusia and Chamfa 175 gram big family pack. Yawa 120 gram a year a Jaqua pack. 65 and 12 grams no sachets and a sachet. And no, over to me at the show bag moon, at the alcobia, and one say, Umia ya nepi. Now the Agusu, not choco. Now I will say, come on. I say, Kai, say Bribiano, over Chusi Anopa, and young Bri and San Makoda. Now, Sir President, Albertia Yamami, and I can we, Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste was say, so percent. One dentist bikasa na ono edi enkomo efa osone ade omo edi to free line 0800 161 000 0800 161 000 from where and now percent utubia 0800 2000 30 0800 2000 30. Pepsodent, every smile matters. Now, many prisoners as I transibio and nano ye bachelo ye twaso ewa ye adwin tin kato adwene ne aten kemoto if you see I can last in your night twaso. Now, you say you're born near the way your communities. Important part of my said ye see Eka and Mofra Adjunating Kato Efa. If I have said ye see Kamami for Adjunating Kato Efa. Now, I have said to me Eka Memanso Adjunating Kato so Efa. That's it. It takes a village to raise a child, but the wrong village can also break one. Children absorb the mood of the community around them. Schools, neighborhoods, churches, mosques, and market all shape the developing minds. Shape your minds for better or for worse. Obaka community bi na mofama ye yoma ya kayaka de ya se saa ne eno e hade ye umba ha ye bro. Was it globally women are disproportionately affected by anxiety and depression? We are seeing now Emma Atenya I am share and a bosoya pa esni bema. What you say? Partly biological, but largely the weight of expectations communities place on them. Was it biwa? I said your oba bobre in the sute nanso ayana empempi no. I said the yashisha the air every obanche. Or your buy also worry, or your buy also war. Yena a cat and bar Argentin cattle.
My self, the canny offer me what you DC Kenya woman, my holding in a summer. Drama for some for Nami Summer. And then what they are buying me to.
Now about my man's one. And only 6 words be 6 words. And now 6 letters. And now send me a attack catch a mema. Was it be a man? Be a man. Be a man. And we are your bema. Be a man. 6 small words doing enormous damage. Baman soup. We are Baman to men soup. Obi pra men soup. Obi akaka men soup. Obi betrewa men soup. Men suffer in silence more often. In Ghana, suicide rates are nearly 10 times higher in men than women. A direct consequence of how communities forbid male vulnerability. Baby, how to be no with you, no. Yes, Ghana ha. A member etaji omonkwa pa 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 pa. Eti abena maji makonyo ina president at many media clinical psychologist wa quadrim wa ben papa. She's learning under Gameli. President Osei Bonsu and the clinical psychologist name not nasi. Na me pese sa group me and say Emafra Emma and Emma. How are our communities destroying their mental health? Expectations, man, so I feel a peppermint, yeah, mental health, one Sompa. If I know Argentine cattle, I get more anything come on to. One baby, only Sompa Rhapsody, and I'm Sompa 106.5 FM. I say a market to your power. I'm called Mike 1. Now, me President ending come on, President. Good morning.
Good morning.
President, happy. Any events are belated, eh?
Yeah.
Happy belated Mother's
Day. Thank you, thank you.
Mother's Day, cause I'm out. So, don't worry, oh, your mother.
Potential.
Where potential mother?
Yes.
That's a potential wife.
Hey.
Kikako. Producer out here. President say a potential mother and wife.
Yes.
Everton San from. Okay. And Mother's Day concern wow, what you concern?
Oh, it was okay. I mean, media. I was just happy to celebrate. Umkofwa, me mami, ya Dina.
Mama Dina. New Jersey, USA. Yeah, first so.
Yeah.
Na yamao, mame pa awoda pa. We a good mother. O dream womba you home. Now ofre prisi. Now tunufo. Now ofre Hannah. Now ne mokasa. Mama Dina, when you miss it out, when you my pa, why?
So, na many a Jimmy, mammy, form my brabo, my name is Mammy Mavis, Osafor. Or Titimi, or Sheme, not blasting so dear.
And your blast one,
Timmy, meaning so would see, and I'm better would see a pa,
Mavis. Osafor
for your counsel, your heart, you know, your good heart, your so it was a good day. Okay.
All right.
In Tina, no pay mental health. Now they call children, so mothers and our women and men.
Okay.
Now, one of the things that you should watch. Yeah, say environmental factors.
Okay.
Say anyama woye you put them and I say baby I tea. Affect mental health one of the risk factors.
Okay.
In the community, how can the community know? Baby I war, baby I war too. How can it affect mental health for children? The first in America. A corporal punishment and a harsh discipline.
Okay. You're trying to
and I Ghana had the NNS when he is catch it. you tie news munina say obidin ebibi aboneba na yeti crisis obi di bibi etwa ne ba say was for we bibi wa fa bibi yes edienti what a toll is it ubi timidi is a second year or whatever etwa wo bansa
okay
and now ni akoso e kan no pay one awo no obi a wa na channel 9 months na so ayi obibi kura nya botre
okay
so corporal punishment anti Ghana has say your banning was illegal according to the Children's Act no if say first no kaya you go school mental
1 + 1 - 1 × 1 + 2 which one chapani about you
on person be go school because usuro when him say o ko hopa dia into by the time I walk ni na no teacher we na eba wa no pay your mass into akola ni ko enya sa adwen na odi be sua ade no I enjoy some mass into corporal punishment na ye bu ye ba ni align ye ni ye bu want to ni na the fear
and you slow
and now ni obiti waye obone enya wo ba wasumanu disikana yera na wo buna machese ebitimi bu omu na ana manaduane a lot of these things no affecting kola a mental health into being no obi a esuro ni mu obi nipa kasa ne kura no osuro okwa adwuma ma obi etieti aneso because ehu woni mu woni pam onim se de bia no ya ka che ne de bia se wo nya papa unye good ye bro ena nkola ne bi so esua sa de no no so ba ya aggressive entini na ka untu benya akola bia wanyi afide oye na de basa ono so kosko obubu nkrofo basa na ni na akoka conduct bibia ya kan conduct disorders na akola no sua aggressive behaviors bia enyema no en fakwem into corporal punishment any harsh discipline and a bullying
okay
in person online see online na be major thing
because now social media
ngola ni na kra phone on be so better phone kra ma ba kra ni na fufu ni obi a tablet super bi na yes no mo din same to especially mo ye teenagers no because of puberty ni curiosity ni changes no sexual issues no yes we akoye we yes we akoye say no mo dia better social media home pictures and awuti so uhwene so and I wonai kakraka and why you say akola bi wa maybe because of family woman no the body no eso change maybe the age mates now on your more class because hey on no by you
one eba no
Ghana strongest
just say
who Jesus who cheat our SS ti send many na efa akola ni tima na fedie shame
okay
maybe akola bi also yare bi won hu ni na nkrofo dey say exposure to violence
okay
say maybe owo fie bi mu ni mama ni papa de bia ke ni ka
na mo kontokwa we to konwa we to sekan
and so edi problems brain collaborate most of the time no so when your case be as a psychologist most of the time maybe say me come and Musa about maybe 80% to 90% of the time most of the issues no nipa kono face one in pain face there's always childhood history bia influence sisiano the ekoso well na brabo into exposure to violence abuse no na yaka and akoso yaka the last time say you say bema into a career dream way they be into the future child labor any early adult roles akolabiti won chain onu ene ye adwuma na wo fi ho akola is wedi 10 years adwuma nke wo say 18 years 17 years no ye na wo ma no ton ade men kaso maybe so wo bibi na wo ba betimi abo emanemo ba sa akola ni enko na ye se adwuma no enu child labor
na wura mu ko ka ye nyina sa na ye
una be fees na mama ana o ya ya do nbe ko hospital early adult roles papa ni wonti akola be ma no noa na enyema bi mama ni wonti ono na ehwe ni nuanum wa ko hye adwuma ma ono na beba no no aduane ma ni nua keto no obedware omo na awo mada ansa wa ba fie be 9 10
akora kete
time be na akola ni menya esuade na ono so arrest so childhood labor any early adult roles so it may affect mental health so wow when you why penyimu prekope so when timi enya time abosa akola etimi ya akola one ne nyuanum anase ne nafofo etimi so ade ena akola bi so stigma
so
so because oh
nimti abuon so
akola de na wo ho say ye to ma wudi atare matage Christmas bibia ma ora ho say dey you don't need to feel depressed some mates ni nyema keka so akola de uni problem bia ade so bia so akola wo problems
right
or maybe a school ade no husu eninti waye basa inti fact what to manage ni nche say oh you okay inti sa nyema na ye keka no so and also to me affecting colano and their mental health. Na yenhwe women so women na odi kan expectations no eye bebre. Na eye me dey say Mother's Day abeshia sa incommodate your mental health. Gender based violence and sexual assault.
Ye pramano yo mayaka de.
Obu ha ni kunu a onenete. Adia odi ye no
oburu nsie
ni video story bi na lady no o defect nani ba ko ha ne kakra nti ono onyi na no obu ni ho abonfia na ni kunu ya oware no onyim eno sa bro no ka ho na ya no pa na ni so nani ba ko na aka no o sa sey no so aka ho enti o kasa kasa nani mbasa kase ukra omunyefe wa manipulate me na mama be ware o kan sanse mo iche wo ye anase obi a pese o ware no into physical verbal sexual assault oye anase obi a oni no kase o ene me feel fa me pacho nya botre uso aden rape ahura e ma go through as young as 3 months 1 year old na ye repium na busa say akono ben kunkun anti a
nkura kete
and inti women go to a lot
3 months wow
it's a lot pressure to marry and bear children
on warranted no
pressure to marry say what's a wire bad year and only 25 6 7 echo 30 grade and come when you just odi and who atwam who atwam question say who anytina a man bebre ya anxious who abahu si say body 30 obi busa age wa want me because a man no omo hwehwe younger women and I say man because say would 30 I say oh he say obewo complications ni ade no obi a hwehwe young lady a betimi awo mama no nti waware mama 1 year 2 year 3 years and that be na abewo and a life na obo popular musician bi Ghana say betimi abodidi because asem na kai public Diana Hamilton ka say when ya ma for 6 years worry okwa sorry a na my mami mpanyifo belt na wo bono heels na wo hye no eno na ema ade. These are the issues that Emma go to body beauty standard and then kofo bebre na industry abey kofo bebre na ko motopane ani ade
pressure to be
Coca-Cola body shape uni bia ene chese won ka ho why na be ware bleaching creams ahoro and then the makeup be the different types and then the eyebrows see enomo ya yes different style biaba 4,000 5,000 10,000 cedis worth of way now we are national service personnel offer 10,000 cedis way
Yes, Ubia.
Ubia, and I saw back over Biwa. There may be more the Bema. And then I expose you to all kinds of things. On the sick animals, so farmer of freezer. Bibi, a tree. And then they lose weight. And I can say, do. Sunny many na a ham. And double bedding, say a juma, any fear dear. And now could say, what would two? What would twins? Oh, yeah, juma. Oh, your wife. Then collaborate with you, so you're a tune. And so when your boss be or yet to say, I could see your boss, Doctor Kwame, despite of one at the time. Or becoming a mental health crisis.
Right.
Enti ukunu susunti mema no mumwa moyerim in this because sisiano ema kwadwuma mema so eden kwadwuma one kwadwuma so bubu say what do you bring to the table and a menstrual pain maternal issues and no biological aspect no
okay
say o body na ka say alone no ema issues even before say obenya o menses no campo stages where luteal phase way face ovulate emu susun ahoro maternal pain client bia now or name can about the postpartum depression or say just say bibia you nehi obia expecting is on your strong is so breaking on the inside it was only one day after all pain now go to CS ntino akola no kra na ninje enti all this is maternal pain. So we'll feel maybe we say blood pressure and then say or china say nini na ekahona ma mental health affected. And the last thing for man is religious and cultural. So maybe a sorry I will call and now say maybe a faith be a woman. GDA a woman. And my say sorry boy a man kasa a man yen penyimfo o ye bibia e na wona ukunu so bro ho asema no nso ukunu o ye wa yakaya cultural shaming and oba de enye say oba de enu so we say ni na the pressure enti wo ye oba nso hu ne were o ye hu o ye bibia e na wanye sa wo kunu pressure on all levels. These are some of the things.
Maybe phone lines.
Okay. Now, I am coming. No, about your be phone lines. I need about.
Okay. And I was for more headlines than my and none of the phone lines and Tamakakra 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 64 and 0260 1960 65 0260 1960 65 Obi Abalino. So hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, Abi Kaswa to saying. Thank you. Yes, I am.
Oh, I don't know if your papa and you. If they are Sompa, who much is the pampa. Your mom would be very nice. They are dear. I come and see the there. If they were down our own way now. And if I will me to me, you are the age of 20 years. No worry, 2 years. Now me worry. Yet must the crack it. Every time that I'm worrying, I feel you may send in a man.
Wow.
Papa, and that for me. And that for them, and I follow Samantha Kosia Kabi, no, or Kako no triplets. Me, the age of 24 years, no Kako no 4. Oh, Kaswa.
Whoa, 4.
Who couldn't get it? No 4.
And who couldn't get it? Hey!
I cry from 4.
It's in Crown when you are in the say. And Crown, you are in the say. And Crown when you are in.
Almost 7 years.
I'm your 4.
Oh, I cry from 4. In the Betty Tragedy, a bearman of our wife with 4 Granny. I cry from 4. I cry interview.
Hey!
FM for interview no think o Gani.
Ukako Gani.
Because o Gani Gambling collapse for the war. Accra FM for interview no.
Hey!
Accra FM.
What? For?
What interview no think o Gani.
Well, Johnny Ampa, and how did you manage yourself? Then I am an boy and crown to say what I'm 27 years.
No, Papa, me say that for more. And that for me, that I me say 24 years old. 24 years, you're on the last time I go.
Hey, if you catch it, then I'll fail. Uncrowd over Nufu, money at the end, and then I'll fail. But I won't be.
Me say, and that for my papa. My way, no for no way. Who do waste to her wasting them? Me say, not me, you be the back of me, the back of me, the back of me.
Oh, who said? Yeah,
especially me go away now. Go away in a massive new one. My name will be not the bay. The back of me, in a back of me.
Wow. Wait here, Matthias. What bread, papa?
I talk with some of papa.
Because you come out, I'm a failure, you know.
Hey,
I'm a failure, you know.
Mama carried me out 7 years ago. Mama carried me out for Papa, enough for more. Wow. When you say she did interview, I think old Johnny. I saw who did that. I didn't see a man who call number 4.
Wow.
It's about that. You can't know
I mean, so, my men are bread, papa, or say, or not the area. So, because you are me and son of the back on, I'm fine. Was it on the end 4 and 9? Marco, me and son 9 and 9. Why are they pa obi aba like one so hello.
Good
morning, mama. Yema mami phone na awodapa.
Thank you. But chemi mami akusia go.
What papa pa e Forson na o frefe.
But chemi akusia mahama.
Hey, odi yede. So no answer. Akusia mahama odi yede ba. Ai yo.
But see ya kwanda.
Mate nungu afu.
But this is not like I say na me tap to the 4 children they need 10.
Hey.
But I am finding a man testing when
Oba 10 bosso.
10 1.
Hey, so sister when here.
So put their phone in so maybe they 10 1.
Nyamen kan ho.
In China pension I'm taking a very good. You more like what I say.
Okay.
If I didn't you know say your cover. Thank you you also be one in your anatomy. But I almost pressure mine. It's such a money only before. Yeah, man, I was hating on waiting for now. I was
okay.
Never been pa a sermon. Yamoyeno, and sure man, a pension year coming.
Oh, papa.
Marcus, Yama failed the Yaminko song come. It's always a little bit.
Well, Betty Pa. Hey, we do us up at 10. I know she. Is my member? So how does the community affect member mental health?
Toxic masculinity scripts.
Okay. Any about
Mama Sankabium toxic masculinity
scripts.
And no say Niema ye dream from mema who and say Niema ye dream from mema who enye ne kwan so.
Okay.
And I say emwa.
Okay.
And I say a deep pressure eto musumu.
Okay.
Ti na udi kan men don't cry.
Men so
Bemensu. You two are a true bema.
Bema no me do enyo. Etio to a bema mo.
Enti wo problem. Untiminka. Wo problem. Untiminsu.
Okay.
By a show David wa Bible mo my soul. In some David ka.
Me kra and na aboto. There's a gun on your back.
Bad road or me. Yeah. It's a name now for sounds. You call money afa. This one. This one. So, men, Sadia na men. Yes, someone to say ma, but they should also cry. And also, bibi how ma. Kawasem, bibi how kawasem. And a provider pressure. When I also automate.
Obi say, remember no, bread winners.
And a
money a bread eaters.
Oh, no, I enjoy a book.
This is some mama na obi abala.
Okay.
Hello.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Aja Nampomu.
I didn't see the call.
Good. Now, okay, sir, for him.
I'm doing an aquarium and I'm going to
okay, and how come I can't say? Amen. So. That's it.
Now, and you're not going to money.
I know, if you say I can now offer it, what do you say? Money.
Memma ija omini na ekanoni maybe who abaiwa kwa atapati tapi ku ayu kuna ko nda kana ni bibi kuna kwa o ti se tabinti
wenyini
ni kwa no a onwali bi ene ke ye kuna kwa ne yo get kwa ade jina ma nabi no o mai kuna ko mo kuna yi na ya ti sia e ma di me bi se the man TV. I got to be a hour. There might be wage over the Bia diving down. The man to call the Mupa. So that much on the back and say, I buy you out in 5 years, not take things no matter how you get you. The man, the last 30 years, the money you buy, one mother, and man, man, Papa. Yammy, them, a quite a mighty and Namson. Yana in can see at them. Set up around for one. If you could keep them for them, you can't bet your man. You can't move you are running no band that day. You can't move you are not them.
Hey,
this is a idea, maybe Malaysian, the Mukidin tea, and a Pabian, you can't and then you cry, and I don't think every morning be 150 and you can't count.
No money, I.
The money is
1 money 8.
Then my 5 per month.
Hey, what's one year you?
I don't know me. I'm going to you know I mean.
Hey, and now to me 8. And no one in behind.
Oh, my net is 5.
Hey, 1 year day.
Papa, a year.
Wabrampa. Oh.
If you go body out, you're not going to be that way. I want to know that. If you want to go to your wife, you may just get part of if I know what would be enough for the way you're out.
What would be answer when you're that?
Aha, I want that. I want everybody to tell them one that I just want. I want you to kind of want to catch them forever. I want to be in that.
Hey, Otiawa Gideon, manager Hopa, just say, Shana, I made a man, I want to decay. I want the one you be, and not just a one you should be.
And only South Power, one set to cut away without water.
Okay.
You know, what? I just have to win in the winter. All the new be able to be able to do not society, one, bibi e ya ko ba no ni na no ka ho that
means our papa president also
provider pressure yeah okay bo anti mema ni bi okra se maybe na adwuma nhye dan ye a ontimi nware because why never worry bibia se woni sika de na chese wonye bema
okay
inti man be depression ti be se man ye hwe ni ye stigma around inkikai around therapy any mental health ye can want see me say maybe bibi how now person okun counselor and answer person only obi go kan want say o na we so cancer be
okay
uko ka say o make say we weak o kra o ni nyeden be ma de also ma we ni nyeden isusu oni ba ko go to issues so boy fan say ye can abuse ni violence in childhood maybe ayana yakayaka dia ni fees who say dwumemu na ni relationships mu onya challenge so person only obi ko kasa na onya mo because wo sha wode ka sho de binti mema no on kokra na wakoka na ka say oh media mini you weak pa cho so uko pemwa you are not weak you're weak you are not mad
Priscilla said munti mama insist asem so e hu hia me pa all the men should listen. Priscilla is saying that asking for help is not the same as weakness.
Yeah.
And it's not equal to weakness. And it's never weakness. And it's a baby eba wakwem. Now here more. Now say utu anambo e kache obi say, please, I need your help. And on chere say oyemre. Ti mema no san script na culturally amamre ahihye wadwene na ahihye watenka na ahihye said you see eje muafa no sa amamra de na aye no rest as men kan chere say asking for help is not equal to weakness. Impressive.
Yeah.
Listen to us, mama.
Na alcohol susu any substance inti mema bebre enumunsa o yusu money tramo inti behu na sabi oni na mabonten basa and susu the mental health issues
because mama na memo lines 0260196064 0260196065 Fred 0260196064 0260196065 Mr. Henkoso
or remember problems obeka asemnti nti make us go and speak to somebody you be enko kasa
na say catch my monster yen
oh enu de mate ena me say man say mamonsiom
okay
ukunu ananse unya bema bi ananse bema bi open up no kana sem chewa we invite you to a space a vulnerable space or just a boami and you wanna because now susana out here in this assembly say na babe so asheme ene ma mempe baby fa pacho say na we go to problems I will feel it down san no susu emotions ono susu bet me feel it down interminti omo no munsa ana onu mu boni odisie e costume na djuma obaka so na mikru nye djuma o ma ne huma de ena nkola igumeso enso nsa no de aye ensa no onu when you problem on djuma ubeso ni mu na wa encourage no ususu kike bi fra na je so ba fie na obi se odaka mu ni ade so alcohol ni substance normalization so abeye issue aye mema pa and a limited male friendships
for
and ubutimi bi say omuhu mu a chairman my boss ubisa ni say nti bra na okwo is ni din de say onim 2 years ni ohu be your friend chairman nzo onim ni din da omuko bobo omuko nomunsa omuko ye omuko kohwe
chairman
so onim ni din da nti oni enkita oni adamfo asema adamfo ni
make come asem
ukana semcho itini na ye football any politics anyways area you no be able to
mema and can't deep things and they don't deeply engage
ukoka asemi kwa ena mema umusi mani se mema ena siro mu pa ukoka chero kaso na you siro mesro no Remember nika de bia so mbese ana so mbekasa wo ye o metagi so wo ye sensitive boy and wo de ya kasam cry en fa honka ho entino monko male friendships no mamu mane nye politics any football kwa na any ye kori omo friend say pork
ne emutuo
kebab any new no matwumako ne nkwan fufuo no mawie no maba monka mo ho nsem dinkomo na bro adamfu maybe ade bi train so na wo so yede when you experience be and finally workplace culture baby a we hear adwuma no
okay
so we hear adwuma den wo leave kra now the year no ko leave wo strong kra wo therapy we adwuma man say adwuma the council ni ne maybe a hihye ho be ma wo ko bi unafofo be si unti
right
it is an ema we ni na workplace so ha mema no pa nti e se mema no community to me affecting nti mo hwe ni ye
Mr. Mama na obi abala no so hello
Papa
mama
Mama ni na happy Mother's Day
omo jo so papa on say ma belated happy Mother's Day na your Forson na offer free here Ashoma ama enkase
Papa me think me kai me five one me for yeah 8 months and that
typhoid chill oh oh that be
yeah 8 months every year mom okay not me call a salute I'm a power sheet Mama boy or ye mama usually if you are near that Masoya okay
sir
what is that when mom program program number
oh kose we dey your hand na watching na obi your line so hello yes sir
good morning
bacho
bacho sompani
ai Sompa that was
sompani
ai oh yeah sompani ai
yo bacho na the program na mo ya na pese nenka bibi kakra
your Forson na on free
me di ya temendia me kasa free
big farm at mandia enka say
yo na pa ya da maso o program na mo ya no so mo ye dropa ya we dia eni ba be na yare sa yare we ada ma na na odia wo program na ade ha bi se we ye na pa dia anke nye bi ni o program nye bi ni ma dio
sao
na oba de nyi san awo ba ni ade ba na program ba for no we che kuta no e san ma be 100
hey
ene kwa na me kan ko so yan kaka me de me ya testimony ama ene me yira ba ko 4
okay
ejuma na me ya na me pasi dizana ta ba na ejuma na ko na
okay
oba no so ejuma me ya kama ti drubeli na disrespect ase oba no support it or not me ka se le kwa mi nwari dim oba o dia wari je ta sa ndi da ko mi o ha be 4 days na me hu no ya so the staff of my business was on my and I just my gene ho ama me dia me akuti o so ba no we just dia say e kan hwe du man san no hwa wa ye e kan hwe du man be say
hwe du man san na wa ba wa
no one no di kan odo di di mu a Or don't get me a quarter. Because they are worrying of said to the Kaku who got for Frank Carter. You know, they can't tell me, I got a Diana, the other, Miss Shedon, Pia said, he can't shake you. Senya and Sanmaka Cram, she are that with young Cabinias. Young Cabaya.
Wow.
Yate.
Yame nshira papa. Omanfo ha ene de ye calls no ebesi. Mama enka obi o se dwumadi a de bro yi Sompa Rhapsody. You leave a President Forson. Over the President Cavity Fighter 2 piece at the Aba. A B a Busuachem for 175 big family pack and 120 gram Jaqua pack, 65 gram, and then 12 gram sachet no and no with me at all. Was say a bebo or some buy a mouse say just say that the pana or fa edisha a propone kaka nadia a kaka sing and council you. Open say one dentist, the head say Eddie and come out for 0800 161 000. And now, say, Ebia, where open say 2 now tone, and now the meeting comes to obey to me after 0800 000 30 0800 000 20030. I mean, 0800 200030. 0800 200030. Mamoniana from now, Omomboa or say, Pepsodent, every smile matters. Now, Dokono Emokin Kong, a friend of Josh Hotkin can say, Open Dokona Beko ye, a Beko party, and the Aquayo Kinky party near the events in Osimonia. Bulk purchase orders are available. Dokona any come and say, na Emma Yare, Balkan 3 cities. Open sale from 025 60 688 32 025 60 688 32. What's the one way? I'm domain behind the Ghana Commercial Bank, just bakery domain behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. From where? Now call Nako to be. I'm for now and nano ye program we and nam Sompa FM Sompa Rhapsody every I bet. Can who say the community our team? It me affect on ma. Community our team. It me affect one kasa wapano. Community our team. It me affect bema so. Na yebe yi ma koma na ya church ya pipe mu. Na ehusani ya obesi optimize it and also adwene atenkate mu. Can who say obrai say one man and now no man two for one tia obeko baby a enye wabra ye ntwanes na sini say ya no monsa enye toto na mo ye tu na mo pa ebo nipa adwempa ehwoso nante ase emo ho ban onyame ya adoma ochina message na dwabio mo sonfo Joseph Osafor and Presla Osebos Netanase. Until we see you tomorrow again, it's shalom, peace, and life to you. Bye bye.